Hi guys, today I am going to show you the apple pear cultivation process. Um, Actually, this is my apple pear crop, and its age is just 2 months. 2 months back, we planted these plants. Just in 2 months, it starts flowering. Based on our fertility of the soil and water management, it will happen. Actually, it starts flowering 2 times a year in April and August, and based on the weather conditions and all, and good fertility of the soil and good water management. Uh, it started flowering after the 2 months, but it's not suggestible to keep the first flowering because the plant needs more strength to yield the fruit. So we need to remove these flowers manually. You can see here the flowers. You can see the flowers. But the plant is not a matured one. So it is not a big plant to handle that much of fruits weight. So what we need to do is we simply remove the flowers by hand, just like this. Just like this. If we remove the flowers, it will start flowering in next 2 months. That is in next 2 to 3 months. This is the April, and maybe in July it will start flowering. It will be 3 months from now. So the plant will grow better compared to this one. So coming to the fertigation management, we can provide the NPK fertilizers. It will be enough, and good water management will be needed. And coming to the insecticides, it will be affected by some insects. You can see here, it simply eats the leaves. So we can apply the monocrotophos. It will be enough to destroy those insects. It will not only eat the leaves, it can also affect the flowers also. So occasionally if we spray the monocrotophos, it will be okay. So the first and one more benefit about this apple bear is we can cultivate in intercropping process. Actually, you can see the distance between these two plants. The distance between these two plants is 12 feet. 12 to actually we planted in 12 feet distance. You can vary between 10 feet to 14 feet based on the fertility of the soil. If more fertile of the land, you need to maintain the more distance between the plants. Actually, we planted off the pot in open place and off in intercropping process. We planted off of the pot with banana. You can see here. We planted with banana. Actually, this banana will we can get the yield in 4 to 5 months, and also in 4 to 5 months this will be in a mature plant. Will be there is will be a mature plant, so we can remove banana and we can only concentrate on apple bear. So this is the intercropping with banana with apple bear. And from the second year you can expect more yield from apple bear. Maybe in the first year you cannot expect more yield, but it will give the fruit in the first year. And this is with banana and apple bear. And in this open place we are going to plant the ginger. In the end of this month we are planting we are going to plant the ginger with this apple bear. And the ginger will be will get the yield in 7 to 8 months. And we are maintaining the distance. We are leaving some of the pot to apple bear, and in between these two lines, this plant and this other plant, in between these two lines we are going to plant the ginger. So in this way we are getting the both crops at a time. uh, Actually this is the month of April, and we are removing the flowers. And again in August, July or August we'll get the again the flowering. So at that time we will keep the flowering and we will look after that. So those flowering we can expect the yield in November to January. So you can get the both ginger and apple bear in this, and we can get the banana and apple bear